There was a man named Raj who struggled with speaking English. He knew that mastering English was essential for his career, but he found it challenging to learn. Unlike memorizing formulas for a subject, learning a language required practice and patience. Determined to improve, Raj made consistent efforts. Raj started by practicing every day. He watched English movies, read English books, and tried to speak with anyone who knew the language. He joined language classes and used online resources to enhance his vocabulary and grammar. Every conversation was a learning opportunity for him, and he didn't shy away from making mistakes. Initially, Raj felt frustrated. Progress was slow, and he often felt when he made errors. However, he reminded himself that learning a language is a gradual process, much like how children learn to speak by listening and practicing. With his mindset, Raj kept pushing forward. One day, after months of relentless practice, Raj noticed significant improvement. He could hold conversation more confidently and understand complex sentences. His hard work was paying off. Encouraged by his progress, he continued to refine his skills, aiming for fluency. Efforts led to a breakthrough. He became fluent in English, speaking it effortlessly. This newfound ability opened doors for him, and he applied for a position at a prestigious company. During the interview, Raj impressed the panel with his excellent communication skill and knowledge. Raj got the job, marking a significant milestone in his life. His journey from struggling with English to mastering it showed the power of perseverance and consistent effort. Raj's story highlights that learning a language is a continuous process that requires dedication, but with persistence, anyone can achieve fluency. The story of Raj serves as a motivational tale for those struggling with language learning. It underscores that with determination and consistent practice, overcoming language barriers is possible, leading to greater opportunity and success. Thanks a lot for today's story. If you like the story, please like, comment, and share. Please do it. Thanks a lot.